Want to see the Spotify 20, your party of the year? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily view it. First thing first, move into Spotify app. Well, this interface should automatically appear on the screen once you open the app. You do not have to go to anywhere else. Once you see this, click on Let's Party. Now from here, you will be able to view the party of your years. If you want to begin, tap on Tap to begin. Now from here, you can start to view your party of the year. You can click on Next and view all the songs that they got. But if this interface doesn't appear on your screen, then in your home page, move into search bar. In the search icon, you need to search for your party. You will be able to see these options right over here. Spotify Party of the Year, click on it. And once again, it will open the interface like it did before. From here, you will be able to view the party of your year, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.